There are many constitutional amendments had to be brought about. It is not just, there should be amendment to actually People's Representative Act, there should be amendment. This is a federal thing, In fact, at least 16 states should support that, and there should be more than 2/3 support in the both the houses of the parliament. It is not so easy. It is a election slogan, essentially. It is not possible to implement as it is. Because already in Haryana they are going to lose the election, Jammu Kashmir they all possibility to lose election, Maharashtra is not going in their way, Jharkhand is not going in their way. So they are losing many states. To make it as a Hindutva agenda, they are trying to campaign this. This is not just technically also. There are lots and lots of constitutional amendments, minimum 6 constitutional amendments. And all the constitutional amendments require 2/3 of majority in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and some of them may even require, like GST, 16 assemblies have to support it. So it is not an easy game. It is a propaganda slogan.